येस सर चालू करू सर.
Okay, बोरले boss sir.
Yes, sir.
Start please.
Good morning, one and all present for this session.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, as we are aware, this session is for
येस
informing
सर चालू करू सर.
Okay,
about
बोरले boss sir.
yes, importance of engineering
Start please.
and mechanical engineering
Good,
in
mo-
our
good morning.
one and all present career. For this session, the speaker
Good
is
morning, sir.
Dr. Ashok Yantroff.
Okay,
As we are
I take
aware,
this
this
opportunity
session is
to
for
introduce him.
informing
येस सर चालू करू.
He is gold medalist
about
Okay,
in
बोरले boss sir.
SSC,
yes, important
and he did his SSC from Holy Cross Public School. He did his 12th from Aurangabad. After that, he completed his engineering from Jawaharlal Nehru Engineering College, Aurangabad. After that, he did his masters from Government Engineering College, Aurangabad. Then he did his Ph.D. from NIT Warangal. He was gold medalist in SSC, and after that he worked for 12 years in Bajaj Auto Limited, and since then he is working in Maharashtra Institute of Technology for around 20 years. His total experience is 32 years, and he is working as head of mechanical engineering department in Maharashtra Institute of Technology Institute. During his tenure, many important activities have been completed in the institute. Like during his tenure, the institute got NAC accreditation. Institute is autonomous now, and mechanical engineering department was accredited by NBA. He has around total 83 publications on his name. He has guided 20 MTech students, and 6 PhD candidates are registered with him. He has around 10 book chapters to his credit. It will take a lot of time to give his introduction. So I briefly sum up this, and with this I say that we are introduced with our today's presentee, Dr. A.J. Keche. Now I request Keche sir to start his presentation. Over to
Uh,
you, Keche sir.
Thank you, Borle boss sir, for nice introduction. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, all students and faculty members who are present for today's presentation. Today, I will be delivering presentation on opportunities for mechanical engineering and the facilities available at Mechanical Engineering Department, Maharashtra Institute of Technology, Aurangabad. So let us start with what is engineering. Basically, engineering, that is nothing but it is science. It is using math and science to solve practical problems of the industry, society, and individual problems also. It requires creativity, persistence, and a desire for improvement. Let us understand the difference between engineering and engineering technology. My dear friends, engineering where more mathematical equations are required, mathematical knowledge is required, wherein in engineering technology that is more related to the technology and the industry related knowledge, means less mathematical or mathematics knowledge that is to be required. In engineering, first component, that is the research. So research, that is nothing but it is the byproduct of any education institute, whether that is UG program or the PG program. And the second component, that is nothing but it is the complex analysis. Means if you want to solve the problems of the society and industry, need to understand the problems, and after understanding it, we have to design a solution for particular problem by analyzing the complex engineering problem and its analysis. Then for that purpose, some design is required to solve the engineering problem or the industry problem or the society problem, where some mathematical equations are required to solve and design a complex engineering. Then the next step, that is the development. Development that is to be required for the betterment of the component of the engineering system. If you want to modify the existing system to satisfy the customer needs, wants, and requirement, development plays a vital role. Then the manufacturing. Actually, the mechanical engineering that is divided into three subdomains, that is manufacturing, design, and thermal engineering. So the manufacturing domain that plays a vital role in case of mechanical engineering and engineering technology. As far as the engineering technology is concerned, then the first, that is the test and evaluation. Means after manufacturing the component, we need to test it and you have to evaluate the various parameters. And if its performance is not up to the satisfactory to the customer, then we have to do the design and again we have to start the production. Production means conversion of raw material into finished product by performing certain operations on it. Then there are various operations to be performed on a specific component or the system to fulfill the particular requirement, and then the service and maintenance, and finally distribution and sales. As we know that there are various engineering disciplines, that is the aerospace, agriculture engineering, biomedical engineering, chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer hardware engineering, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, environmental engineering, health and safety engineering, industrial engineering, marine and ocean engineering, materials and metallurgy engineering, mechanical engineering, mining engineering, geological engineering, nuclear power engineering, and petroleum engineering. So what is mechanical engineering? As I said earlier, the mechanical engineering discipline that is divided into three subdomains: manufacturing, design, thermal. In that, the research that plays a vital role in any engineering discipline. So here again, in case of mechanical engineering, research plays a vital role while designing the vehicle, whether that is two-wheeler, four-wheeler, designing the machines. For that purpose, we need to do some research based on the various activities or the fast expense, then development, then design, manufacture, and maintain devices that produce or consume the power. You might come across the various terms or the vehicles, that is design cars, determine new uses for the lasers, maintain power producing equipment such as wind turbines, solar, then power mills, then build production machines like that. Then why we have to choose the mechanical engineering? That is the biggest question among the various students or the aspirants who want to take the admissions for the mechanical engineering. As per the National Association of Software and Service Companies, mechanical engineering jobs are expected to grow from 9% to 11% by the year 2026. And presently, according to Ambitions Box, the average annual salary of mechanical engineering in India is around rupees 3.2 lakh per annum. On Global Manufacturing Competitiveness Index rankings by the country, India is expected to raise 6 places, resulting in creating new opportunities for mechanical engineers. So I am giving this information that is pertaining to the freshers of mechanical engineering. Then mechanical engineering jobs are best engineering jobs today, as well as the 11th best STEM job according to US News, means science, technology, engineering, and maths, with many multinational companies establishing research and development facilities in India, and unprecedented development of the infrastructure has been taken place nowadays. So the profession of mechanical engineering is still going to be vague or the verge in the near future. This slide highlights the top careers in mechanical engineering, that is manufacturing manager, manufacturing sector. If you know that the Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, that is called as a automobile hub, lot of industries related to manufacturing are available in the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, in Waluz MIDC area, Sindra MIDC area, Chikalthana MIDC area. So I request all the aspirants to take the advantage of these automotive sectors and manufacturing sectors. Then CAD technician, nuclear engineer, aerospace engineer, like that. My dear friends, managers are responsible for daily operations of manufacturing facilities, which consist of manufacturing and assembling of the components or the vehicles being made into finished goods. The few examples roles in the job description may include production manager, operation manager, assembly operations, or manufacturing managers, or the executive. And in the category of automotive engineers are sometimes referred to as an automobile engineer who work in the team to design, to develop, to manufacture, and test the vehicle. Some of them may also work in the sales and marketing, after sales care, or work with the professional to enhance the technical performance and aesthetics and software facilities of that particular vehicle or the component. Then the CAD technician. So what is expected in the CAD technician? A CAD technician uses CAD software to create technical drawings and plans. They are also known as a draft person to draft and design the particular drawing as per the customer needs, wants, and requirement. And a CAD technician is building and manufacturing professionals who work together with aesthetics and professional draftsmen to turn blueprints and technological drawing into a 2D and 3D. Then the nuclear engineers. What is expected from the nuclear engineers is like a nuclear engineer's job include designing, building, running nuclear power stations or the plants, and career in nuclear engineering may require them to work in multidisciplinary teams depending on their roles, such as designing new system, maintaining existing system, or finding ways to improve efficiency and efficacy or stability of the nuclear power plants. Then the aerospace engineering means what are the expectations from the aerospace engineer employed in the aerospace industries. Aerospace engineer design, build, test aircrafts, missiles, system for national defense, space aircrafts, etc. They ensure that all blueprints, prototypes, and products must meet the required engineering standards, environmental issues, and consumer demands. Then the maintenance engineering. So in maintenance engineering, we have to do the maintenance of all types of the equipments, machineries. The job of maintenance manager or the engineer is to ensure that industrial machinery and equipments runs smoothly and they will give the reliable results. A maintenance engineer plans and undertakes scheduled maintenance, responds to the breakdowns, diagnosis faults, repairs, supervisors, and the engineering and technical staffs. Nowadays, uh, uh, total productive maintenance, that is the philosophy of zero, that is very popular in the automotive industry, wherein zero rejection should be there, zero breakdown, zero maintenance, like that. and the robotics expert. This is also very, very important as far as the engineering field is concerned. Then controls and instrumentation engineering. This plays also vital role in case of mechanical engineering. Means control and instrumentation engineer ensures that all the equipments and machineries in the industry sector work safely and effectively and efficiently to perform a specific function. They either work in a factory floor or an office, in a laboratory, or all three. Their job role includes preferring the and agreeing the project budgets, timescales, specification with clients, and manager. A skilled instrumentation engineer is in high demand in private sector. So, what is the scope for mechanical engineering engineers in India? That is in automotive industry, robotics industry, aerospace industry, smart industry, and IoT. That is the Internet of Things, rail industry, power plant industry, steel plant industry, design, production, and analysis and testing. This is very, very important in case of automotive industries and in automobile sector. Now, let us discuss about the average salary based on the job positions available in the various sectors in mechanical engineering. Depending upon the job positions and the job profile, the average salary that is mentioned in this particular slide. In manufacturing sector, for manufacturing manager, the annual salary, that is the package, that is 14.1 lakh per annum. In automotive engineer, 6 lakhs per annum. A CAD technician, 5 lakh per annum. 16 lakhs per annum. Aerospace engineer, 7.9 lakh per annum. Mechanical engineer, 3.6 lakhs per annum. Mining engineer, 4.6 lakhs per annum. Water engineer, 4.2 lakhs per annum. Maintenance engineer, 3.3 lakh per annum. I am talking about this all the fresher engineers, and afterwards they will get the salary depending upon their job responsibility and the job profile and again the company. Then control and instrumentation engineering, that is 5.7 lakh per annum. Now, what are the top recruiters for the mechanical engineers? That let us try to understand it. Some of the top private companies hiring the mechanical engineering that is listed in this particular slide. That is Larsen and Turbo, Vaizato, Tata Group, the Godrej Group, Siemens Limited, General Motors, Thermax, Ashok Leyland, Suzlon Energy, Kirloskar, Mahindra and Mahindra. Then in Aurangabad, Endurance Technologies, Varroc Technologies. Then the Goodyear. Lot of industries are available who are hiring the mechanical engineering engineers on regular basis. Then the top recruiters for mechanical engineers. Some of the top government companies hiring mechanical engineers in India are highlighted in this particular slide. The Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, that is BHEL, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL, Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, Indian Oil Corporation, then National Hydroelectric Power Corporation, Gas Authority of India, like that. Now, let us discuss about the facilities and infrastructure available at Mechanical Engineering Department, Maharashtra Institute of Technology, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Being head of the department, it is my prime duty to give you the brief information
धन्यवाद मित्र
about
विचारून
the
बसल्याबद्दल.
mechanical engineering department and the infrastructure and facilities available at mechanical engineering department, Maharashtra Institute of Technology, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. So we have BTech in mechanical engineering with intake capacity 120. Then post graduation, that is MTech mechanical engineering with intake capacity 18. And our institute is accredited with NAC A grade. The program of BTech in mechanical engineering is accredited by NBA for 3 years from last year to 2024-25. And this is achieved because of the cooperation from the all the stakeholders, students, parent, industry persons, alumni, faculty, members. So this is the biggest achievement of the mechanical engineering department. This first particular slide, you use the overall brief information about the department. At present, we have 46 faculty members. Out of 46 faculty members, 15 faculty members have completed their PhDs from reputed institutes like IITs, NITs, government colleges, and the other reputed institutes. And 8 faculty members are pursuing the PhDs from the reputed institutes like IITs, NITs, and government colleges. 2 of our faculty members have also completed their PG from the foreign universities. Faculty-wise, Department of Mechanical Engineering is very rich. We have 16 faculty members who have more than 20 years experience and 14 faculty members who have more than 10 years experience and 8 faculty members who have experience more than 5 years likewise. And as I said earlier, we have a research center at our department. There are total 51 research scholars working in at our department, and we have 8 supervisors to guide the research scholars in various domains of mechanical engineering, such as manufacturing, design, thermal, materials, like that. Then the faculty cadre proportion. At present, we have 3 professors, 11 associate professors, 32 assistant professors. There are few professional bodies, active professional bodies at our department. That is IIE, then Ready Engineers, then Society of Automotive Engineers, ISRE, ICC, like that. We have signed MOUs with 11 organizations, then the government sectors for overall development of the students and faculties as well, from the internship point of view, placement point of view. We have 5 granted patents, 16 patents are published, and publication wise, our department is very rich. We have 369 journal papers on our credit, 183 in Scopus journals, 283 conference papers. And we have also 5 books and 35 book chapters on our credit. Citation wise, the our department is very rich. We have 1104 citations on our credit and highest H index, that is 17. And my dear friends, and I am happy to inform you that our students and faculties are actively involved to solve live industrial projects under the aegis of GIZ and Machia. Some of our faculty members are also doing some consultancy work in association with Government of Maharashtra, Siemens Limited, Royal Academy of Engineering and Technology, London. This slide highlights the vision and mission of our institutes. So, vision of our institute is MIT aspires to be a leader in techno-managerial education at national level by developing students as a technological superior and ethically strong multi-dimensional personalities with global mindset. So here we have given main emphasis on strong multi-dimensional personality with global mindset. And the mission of our institute is we are committed to provide wholesome education in technology and management to enable aspiring students to utilize their fullest potential and become professionally competent and ethically strong by providing well qualified, experienced, and professionally trained faculty, state of art infrastructure, facilities, and learning environment, condense environment for research and development, and delight to all stakeholders. My dear friends, as I said earlier, at present we have 46 well qualified faculty members at our department, and we have also the various facilities, state of art infrastructure available at our department. We have 11 laboratories and 3 center of excellences at our department. So, in align with Institute vision and mission, the vision and mission of the department that is drafted and that is mentioned in this particular slide. The vision of our department is to be center of excellence in the field of mechanical engineering, where the best teaching, learning, research synergize and serve the society through innovation and excellence in teaching. So here we have given the emphasis on teaching, learning, and research, and the mission of our department is to provide world class undergraduate and graduate education in mechanical engineering by imparting quality technological education and training to meet current and emerging needs of the industry and society at the large. This particular slide highlights the program educational objectives. My dear friends, program educational objectives that is related to the career and professional accomplishment of the graduates. We have framed four program educational objectives for mechanical engineering program that is mentioned in this particular slide. This particular slide highlights the program outcomes specified by Washington Accord. Program outcomes, that is also called as the graduate attributes, means what engineering graduates will able to do during the graduation or after the graduation. So the first program outcome, that is engineering knowledge. Second one, problem analysis. Third one, design and development of solution. Conduct investigation of complex problem. Modern tool usage. Then the engineer and society. Then environment and sustainability. Ethics, individual and teamwork. Communication, project management and finance. And the last one, that is the lifelong learning. So while drafting the program educational objective, main emphasis that is given for skill, attitude, and knowledge. These are the three important parameter that student need to understand. Then this particular slide highlights the program specific objectives that is related to the specific branch or the program. So as I said earlier, the mechanical engineering discipline that is divided into three sub-domains, that is manufacturing, design, and thermal. So our program first program specific objective, that is ability to design and analyze the component and system for mechanical performance. And so that is related to design domain. Second one, ability to apply and solve the problems of heat and power or the thermal system, that is related to thermal engineering. And the next one, ability to solve real life problems with exposure to manufacturing industry, that is related to manufacturing or the production domain. My dear friends, our department is continuously working for the overall development of the students, and these are the few steps we are followed since last 7-8 years for overall development of the students. That is training and placement. That is this facility that is available at central and department level, through which we are organizing campus placement drives, off-campus drives, training programs to our students. Then training and placement activities that will be carried out at department and institute level. We are also organizing the soft skill development program and communication skill programs for overall development of the students. And at our department, we are following various best practices, wherein the first one, that is teacher and guardian scheme. Let me know the student that the teacher and guardian scheme, that is 20 students are allotted to one teacher to take care of their academical related problems and personal problems as well. Then online training facility that is also available at our department, and there is exposure to the students and faculty members to solve the industry life problems under the aegis of GIZ and MASHIA. And then regarding the academics, we have all the classrooms, that is all these classrooms are equipped with the latest technology. LCD projectors are available. Then internet facility that is also available in various classrooms, seminar halls, like that. Then research and development, this plays a vital role for all of development students and faculties as well. So we are motivating the faculty members and students to publish their research work in various international conferences, journals, uh, and to file the patents. Our students and faculty members are also working on ISR and extension activities like blood donation, tree plantation, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, cloth collection, distribution, like that. Then the cultural events, we are regularly organizing the various events in social annual gathering and speak make. Recently, we have organized 2 days program uh, in association with the Government of India, uh, uh, that is the Entertainment Department, uh, and Speak Make for the high school students and faculty members and the society members. Then our students are regularly participating in sports activities at department level, institute levels, at national and international levels also. We are regularly organizing the various workshops, conferences, seminar, faculty development program, short-term training programs, value-added courses program for overall development of the students. Now our institute is autonomous institute. So let us understand what are the objectives of the autonomous institute. It can determine and prescribe its own course of study and syllabus, restructure and redesign the courses to suit the local needs of the industries and the societies at the large. It can also offer the need-based short-term courses for benefit of the student to bridge the gap between industry and the academia. It can use modern tools of educational technology to achieve higher standards and greater creativity. It can also promote healthy practices such as community services, extension activities, project for the benefit of the society and the industry as well. It can award the degree on behalf of university by providing more academic and operative freedom to function better with credibility. My dear friends, in brief, the autonomy reflects efforts for excellence in the academic performance of the students, capability of self-governance, enhancement in quality education. Then this particular slide highlights the benefits of the autonomous institute, means the academic freedom. We have freedom to revise the syllabus as per the requirement of the industry and as per the requirement of the society. Then there is a choice-based credit system. That facility is available at autonomous institute. Means students from mechanical engineering department can opt the various courses from the other discipline uh, based on the various credits. That is Internet of Things, cloud computing, the data science, better subject rights and elective that facilities that is also available in autonomous institute. And employability becomes easier and more placement opportunities are available in government and private sector as well. Then the examination, and I am happy to inform you that under this autonomous institute, we have declared results of our institute under autonomy within 7 to 8 days. And there is also facility that is available related to the makeup examination. Means if some student fail in one or two course, uh, then he can reappear for that particular course within 15 days. Then internship facility that is also available for one complete semester. So we are conducting all these activities at our institute level, but the degree that is being awarded on behalf of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. As I said earlier, our UG program that is NBA accredited. Let us try to understand what are the benefits of NBA accredited program. So it validates the quality at national and international level, foster the trust in the institution regarding the various programs, helps in SWOT analysis, that is strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats, and better outcomes, provide basis for funding raising, means our students and faculty can apply for the various fund raising institutes, government funding agencies, and age in the job markets, means lot of jobs are available for the mechanical engineering students because of this NBA accreditation and autonomous institute. And better mobility going forward means those students who want to opt the higher education from the foreign universities, they will get the added advantage if you want they want to pursue their MS degree from foreign universities. Now, as I said earlier, our department that is continuously working for the overall development of the students and faculties as well. We have conducted many programs during last 3 to 4 years. This particular slide highlights the various programs have been organized by our department, and I'm happy to inform you that we have successfully organized the international conference in emerging areas in mechanical engineering. These are the recent activities conducted by our department. Because of the shortage of time, I will not go much into detail. These are the snapshots of the industrial visits. At our department, the one student chapters that is ISHRE is there. Under this ISHRE, we are organizing the various programs, industrial visits, expert talks, webinars, seminars. So these are some programs organized under the aegis of ISHRE that is highlighted in this particular slide. Then I am happy to inform you that we have Mechanical Engineering Student Association. So the main purpose of this student association is that to involve the students to develop their personality skills, communication skills, team building skills, and they will work on a common agenda to inculcate the various technical skills through organizing the various events, programs under the aegis of Mechanical Engineering Student Association. These are the some snapshots related to MESA, that is Engineers Day celebration, expert talks on entrepreneurship development, then the various activities conducted through these bodies that is also mentioned in this particular slide. In recently, third year student Aryan Jain and Avinash Kale, under the guidance of Dr. Swamini Chopra, bagged third prize in zonal round Avishkar project competition at Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. Final student Mansingh Andre and Tribhuvan selected for second round in the competition of Ideathon 3.0 at Government College of Engineering. Then Siemens Mechatronic System Certification Level Program. My dear friends, we have 11 laboratories and 3 Center of Excellences, that is mechatronics, then robotics, materials and engineering. And in mechatronics Center of Excellence, Professor Palkar and Sundarmal, these 2 faculty members are conducting various certification courses in association with Siemens EDN Limited. These are some photographs of training courses being organized in mechatronics system, mechatronics Center of Excellence. Then webinar on career opportunities for mechanical students that were organized at our department. Then 2 days workshop on emerging trends in mechanical engineering that was organized on 15th and 16th February. Then we have also successfully organized intellectual property rights and IP management for the startups. We organized the expert talk on business model canvas, organized in association with Institution of Innovation Council, ICC, on 25th June 22. Then, my dear friends, I am happy to inform you that from upcoming year, in association with Sanjeev Auto, we have designed and developed S&M certified manufacturing technocrat. S means Sanjeev Attu and M means MIT. This is the certificate manufacturing course to bridge the gap between industry and the academia. So these are the highlights of that particular program. Now, let us discuss about the student achievements. So this particular slide highlights the various achievement of the students, and I am happy to inform that, as I said earlier, our students and faculty members are continuously working to solve live industrial problems. So, few years back, the GIZ and Masiya have organized the project competition for undergraduate student, and I am happy to inform you that the first three prizes were backed by the mechanical engineering students, and these are the some awards have been won by our students in SE, BHA and Supra competition. SE and BHA Supra competition, in this particular competition that is organized by Society of Automotive Engineers. In that particular competition, 25 students will be there and one faculty advisor is there. uh, and we are regularly participating in that particular event since year 2009, and I am happy to inform you that in the year 2010 our students have won first prize at national level, that is rupees 5 lakh, all-terrain vehicle and the trophy. Then our students have bagged the third prize in I2 Academia project competitions at IMTech's Bangalore. Then Rahul Srivastav and his team member uh, are the overall winner in fourth Techno Innovation Hackathon and Innovation Bus competition. That competition was organized at Greater Noida under the guidance of me, and we backed the 1 lakh rupees cash prize. Then during COVID-19 pandemic, under the guidance of me, my three students, Rahul Srivastava and his team, have designed the PP kit disinfector machine. And we have got the financial assistance of rupees 50,000 from Masia, IFC and Tata Technology for the product development. Then we also received the financial assistance for multi-purpose electric power tiller uh, from the Masia and IFC. Uh, this project was also done under the guidance of me. Then this competition was organized at Goa by the Ministry of India and Goa, and they have invited to demonstrate the projects in physical mode. So myself and two of my students, uh, they have invited us to demonstrate our project. So this is the photograph of that particular event. Now let us talk about the placement. These are the recent placements of mechanical engineering department for upcoming for the last batch, that is 20 to 23. Sachin Rathod, he is placed in all-time plastic. Then Natasha Paswan, she has placed in Mahindra and Mahindra. Then Prajakta Bansod in Mahindra CIE. So these are again the student placements of the these are student placement of our institute for last years. Then let us talk about the facilities and technical support available at mechanical engineering department. These are the various softwares available in research laboratories at mechanical engineering department. This is the snapshot of the various laboratories of mechanical engineering department: thermal engineering, theory of machine, refrigeration, air conditioning, then mechanical measurement and metrology, heat transfer, automation control system, metallurgy, research lab, hydraulic machine lab, internal combustion engine lab, mechatronics lab, then robotics lab, then workshop and additional facilities are available. That is also mentioned in this particular slide. CNC turning center, 3D printing facilities also available. We have designed the career path for the first year mechanical engineering students from the first semester itself. The first semester, English proficiency lab is there. Then in semester two, English proficiency lab two. Then in semester three, soft skill program, personal effectiveness, body language, and interpersonal skills. And in semester four, soft skill programs, leadership, public speaking, innovation tools, and methods for problem solving. Then in semester 5, aptitude training program, winter internship for 3 to 4 weeks. In semester 6, aptitude training program, winter internship for 3 to 4 years, 3 to 4 weeks. Then in semester 7, mock aptitude test, mock interview, and mock group discussion. And the last semester, that is choice-based track, means student can opt any one track, that is from internship, research project, and entrepreneurship development. So these are the three choice-based tracks, that is entrepreneurship, higher education, and job placement. As I said earlier, we are autonomous. How so? This slide highlights how we are different from the other institutes. Then how we are different as an institute in comparison with the other departments means at our we have recognized a center of Ph.D. in mechanical engineering. We have well experienced as well as young faculty member. Well established laboratories and central workshop facilities are also available. Student reputed chapters are also there. ISHRE, Society of Automotive Engineers, regular participation of students and faculties in GIZ, Machia projects, and Center of Excellences in mechatronics, robotics, and materials and material engineering. These are the best practices we are following in at our department in plant training for BTech final year students, active student participation in professional bodies like SE India and ISHRE, ready engineer program for Tata Technology, expert talk by industry persons and alumni, teacher guardian scheme, participation in various national level engineering exhibition like Technology Meet, Advantage Maha Expo, IM Techs, innovative and research projects, learning through massive online courses, NPTEL, Coursera, VLabs, etc. As I said earlier, our students are regularly participating in SAE competition. So to get the feel of this particular competition, I request all the students, please watch this particular video so that you will get the feel about that particular competition.
कुछ पाने की हो आस पास, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं, ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, अब जाना है, हाँ यही सपना है मेरा, तूने पहचाना है, तुझे अब ये दिखाना है। ओके तुझको आँखियाँ, क्या जमीन और आसमां पाएगा, जो लक्ष्य है तेरा, लक्ष्य था। मुश्किल कोई आ जाए तो, पर्वत कोई टकराए तो, ताकत कोई दिख दिखलाए तू कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खो दे हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिंह फड़िए पे तरिए या करिए हाय कोई तो चल सिंह फड़िए पे तरिए या करिए आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा सरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो सच्ची मैंने जानी दवाई है नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने तुमको से उड़ा दी तेरे तेरे गाए मैंने उंगली जलाई है शामी आने के तले आजा सरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो आजा आजा जितने शामी आने के तले आजा सरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
So thank you very much. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Sir, okay. Thank you very much. So if you have any questions, any doubt, you can ask the questions. Students, any questions from student sides? So if questions are not there, then shall I stop here? Borlepor sir, Biradar sir. Hello,
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Biradar sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So shall I stop here?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you, sir. Thank you for such a nice overview of mechanical engineering. It's a really nice opportunity to hear you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.